Today we have my model here, Rachel. Some of you may recognize her from the packaging. As you can see, Rachel had already got her hair pre-lightened in the salon. Today we're going to be using the ash toner to help eliminate some of the brass and the unwanted tones, keeping these tones away for up to 8 washes. We're now going to take Rachel through to the basin and we're going to prep her ready for the application. Now we have washed Rachel's hair using a clarifying shampoo to remove all unwanted buildup on the hair. Remember, no conditioner. We have thoroughly detangled the hair and we are ready for application. Now you can section your hair whichever way you find works best for you. As Rachel has quite thick hair, we're actually going to need to use 2 kits. Now if you've got quite long thick hair, be sure to make sure you have enough product. Make sure you have your protective clothing. It's so simple. We're just going to start off with putting a small amount into our hands. Just going to lather that up, starting with the roots down to the ends, and just making sure we're completely saturating the hair so we get a really gorgeous even tone. Just think of it like a shampoo. So now you have completely applied the product to the hair. I'm now going to use the cap to cover the hair. You're welcome to use cling film at home, it's not a problem. I'm now going to apply some heat using the hairdryer for 5 minutes. And then I'm going to leave it for the recommended time up to 30 minutes. So now the process has completed. Remember to trust your strand test and trust the process. Toners come in all shades and colors. We're now going to rinse it out of the hair until the water runs completely clear. And that is the end of your application. Wow, just look at what we've been able to achieve. Look how beautiful this is looking. We've been able to remove that brassy, unwanted tones and create this really beautiful ash toner. This was achieved by using the Bblonde Maximum Toner. Just remember, this lasts up to 8 washes, which means you're able to play around with the different shades and find out and experiment what tone works best for you.